My name is Shalini and her name is Dyuti. So we are in Malaysia as of now, and we got into this Gandhari Vidya by one of my friend who stay in Bangalore. They referred actually. After that, we connected to Eri Sami Guruji. So this is how the process has started, and my daughter is trying to help in many ways, which I can see is her thought process. Her thought process nowadays, I'm observing, it is not, it is different because we never see people in a different way. We always see all are like this, but her thought process is getting stronger by this Gandhari Vidya, which we are seeing every day. So I'm very happy by being in the part of this program.
After joining these classes, my intuition is stronger, my memorization is stronger. Like to memorize a story, it usually takes like 20 minutes, but I can do that in 10 now.
Okay,
So
great.
I can feel improvement from that. And I enjoy doing blindfold. It's quite fun actually. Personally, I feel like I'm thinking more out of the box. I'm not just seeing what's in front of me, but I'm also finding other solutions or ideas which can connect to what I've been shown. So I feel like I'm more exposed to my inner self than before. That's like what I get from this. And Trataka just helps me like focus on one thing, like using the purest form of light, and I feel very happy. It's not about whether we join the program or not, because like once we join, we're gonna go 100%. If you put effort, you will get it. That's like my belief. So I have to just focus and keep on getting better.
Yeah, thank you, Guruji, for giving this opportunity.
Yeah.
Actually, there are different age groups, different thinking power. Every kid has. We should not compare, but every kid has the potentiality, and you are bringing that potentiality from within. That is the challenge. And the way you organize the classes and the way you interact with the kids is really fantastic. At any point, we doesn't get any hurt. We always, okay, when we join the class, I'm comfortable, and when we end the class also, we are comfortable. We are not pointing anything other than that. We are just learning. We are absorbing the positivity. Truly speaking, yes. And different exercise programs, all these things are helpful for all the kids. So it's really fantastic way.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushma and my daughter name is 8 years old. We are from Nizamabad, Telangana region. When I was randomly scrolling on Instagram, I just found this beautiful page, Vidyaram Gurukula, and I found it as interesting and I have registered for the demo class. For within the one demo class, my child could identify all the colors. She got more interested to join the class, and I have joined the course for her. Day to day, there was a lot of impact, and I did not imagine like my child has that much concentration levels in doing it in each and every activity. Day to day, I can see much difference, and I was spellbound with few of the activities which she has done. This is not just a blindfold activity. This is the right platform for her at the right age, like making my child improve regard not only mentally but physically too,
Exactly.
regarding health and everything. It's not just blindfold, but beyond that. She has learned mantras also by doing meditations daily. That is a more motivating one for her. With no idea, I have joined the course. I did not expect anything from it. Just maybe she'll be learning colors, but it is beyond that. I'm making my child healthier in all the ways. Not only food, as you said, 5 koshas. She's learning many more to that. I have given her 21 days habit challenge.
Wow.
She's doing maximum. Not as she's having school nowadays, due to her homework, she's sleeping somewhat late and waking up at 6:30. But so she could not wake up by before 6 a.m. But she's following all chanting mantras, doing meditation, following like the regular eating healthy food, maintaining diary. I feel like this is not only 100% worth it, more than that. Every parent who cares, definitely they should join this course and make most of it. I felt like joining other courses like yoga, separate. This is all-in-one program for children.
Actually, I was going through the Facebook video reels and all, and I identified that there is some Gandhari play, and it actually, I was just attracted to that where it was giving I saw some videos where kids were blindfolded and they were able to identify so many things by not even touching, by at least by looking at that one. So this is what inspired me actually to join to the course. And I wanted to know that what is this exactly. So I just joined him only to the course. Whenever the programs were there, I was sitting along with him and I was doing a meditation. It was very wonderful sessions. And all the sessions were so energetic and so it was bringing all the light to the kids, their powers and their whatever they have, the intuitions. that everything was coming out without much their experience. Actually, it's unbelievable actually. Where even I felt sometimes that how the kids can do this one. I mean, I also tried 2-3 times, but it was not happening for me. But he was doing it very enthusiastically, and it's just like a flow. He was doing all these things. So this was a very wonderful experience for me.
And he's also playing chess with his grandfather. How was that experience?
Yeah, that was actually very wonderful. I was just taking a video and I was just thinking that okay, he may be somewhere, he may I felt a little bit of difficulties or something, but never. He just moving all the the pawns to the correct places, and he was able to identify where are the other things which have been kept by my father-in-law. My father-in-law is the one who was playing along with him, and he was playing. And there was when he was giving the check to the king, there was three things were there. Along beside that, three places were there. Only one place was the empty one, where exactly he took his pawn and he said check. And he was telling my father-in-law that there is a place where you can just move. And then he was thinking, no, there is no place. Then he identified and he was smiling like anything. That by remembering that, okay, fine, I won the match. Now nobody can do anything. That was a very wonderful experience for me. After doing every activity, he was like, oh my God, I have done this. I don't believe this myself. And he was so passionate that he just want to try more and more and more and more. So that's what actually that brings the kids the power that they themselves will achieve. Okay, once they will get that confidence, I can do this one, then they will go for the further difficult task. That is what the kids actually they will be doing. Actually, I thought these exams are going on. I thought I will take a break and then I will join the course. But then I thought it's just only for some few hours. So let me join him, because along with this, I wanted to give more focus on the exams also. And then I had a question with you also, whether it will be a challenge for them, that where it will be difficult for him to go further or read or something. But it didn't happen anywhere, something like that. Every time he's coming back and he's telling, Amma, I did a very good exam today. I did very wonderfully. It was very easy for me, and I written all the questions. This is what he's telling. This is what I heard from him actually.
Yes.
Everything was so, I mean, it's not only for the kids actually. I agree that even the parents should have to sit along with the kids, because they also will get the power of that, all these intuitions and all. At the beginning, even my husband was like, you have joined him. How? I don't know. I mean, there was so much confusion actually. When people will say that by blindfolding people, I mean, he can do that one, he can see, he can sense. Obviously, it's like no to everybody. So they also were like, no, I think he cannot do that one, and he might not be able to do. Even when I joined for the first time of the class, even I was thinking the same thing. To be frank, actually, after the first class, he was identifying the balls and all. It was so nicely it was done, and after every class to class, his intuition has grown up like anything, and it has done a wonders actually. Now I myself believe, I have told many people, please join your kids. It's not only because of the intuition, even it will increase the confidence of the kids, even it will increase the intuition power of the kids. Once they will become confident, they can achieve anything. That's what I have, even I have in my also. Actually, to be frank, it's like a magic. And one thing is that I would like to tell this to all parents, please enroll your kids. Anyway, we will be, it's like we are doing something. The kids are going to the sports, the kids are going to some other activity. Treat this also like that and join your kids, and the wonders you yourself will see. So that's what the suggestion that I will be giving to all the parents.
I'm Dr. Amrita Shenge.
Okay.
I'm practicing dentist, and I've done my post-graduation and fellowship also. I was just scrolling on the Instagram and I just saw the ad, and I got the attention on the word that third eye opening or the Gandhari Vidya. So I was curious about that, and I am also from the spiritual family. So I was curious, and I was I joined your session, and I understood what is the concept behind that. So I like that concept, and the way you presented it, I was impressed by that, and I joined my daughter with your course. And she's very naughty girl. She don't sit for more than 10 minutes at a place, but with you, sir, she at least sits for for 1 hour. She does all the meditations, whatever you tell. So that is very good thing, because she's getting focused on something. That's what I wanted. She should be focused on something, whatever good there. Even at the age of 35, I was also in search of some guru. There are many phrases in our Sanskrit also about the gurus, but throughout my education, I can say professional education or the schooling or the college education, I couldn't find guru, because they all just stick to the curriculum or the whatever there in the profession. But the real guru, or even if we see the spiritual gurus outside, they just tell the stories from the Granthas or the Puranas or something like that. But I couldn't find any real guru among them. But when I talked with you and I've done sessions with my daughter, so I think we are at the right track, and definitely we got a guru in you, sir. So the journey for myself also from here onwards, and for my daughter, she is now 8-year-old, 9-year-old. So for her also, we are fortunate that we got you, sir.
My life is completely dedicated to this, and I'm truly whatever possible, my side, and definitely I'll be there with you throughout the journey.